Hi, welcome to Algoine. Adding an API, which means connecting your Binance account to your Algoine account in our context, is the first requirement for starting a bot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Binance account to Algoine. In the left menu, click on My APIs. Then, go to your Binance account and click the user icon at the top with the User Center tooltip. Next, click API Management and then the Create API button. Click Next and give a name to your API. I'll use Algoine as an example. Click Next again and complete the security verification steps. Congratulations! You have now created your API. Firstly, copy the API key and secret key to a notepad. Then, edit the restrictions and authorize this API key to trade in the market types that you are planning to use. If you want to use this API in both spot and futures, select both. If you only want to use it in one, select that option only. Other settings are good as you see. Then, save your changes. Your API is now ready to connect. Turn back to your Algoine account and copy-paste the API information that you saved in the notepad earlier. If you want to use this API key for paper trading, check the corresponding checkbox. If you want to use it in real trading, do not check the box. You can add multiple APIs for different purposes, one for spot market real trading, one for spot paper trading, one for futures real trading, and one for futures paper trading. When starting a bot, you can select the API you want to use. If you want to delete one of them, simply click the API and then click Delete this API followed by Yes, I'm sure at the other corner. That's all. I hope I was able to explain it well. Thank you for watching.